Hey there, in this video I will show you how to do hard reset on your Nokia 215 4G phone. Right, so there are two ways to do it. First is then go to System and About Phone. Click on it and simply press Restore Factory Settings. It will ask this prompt asking if you are sure that you want to do that. As you are aware, it will delete all your phone and it revert to factory settings. Do that, press OK, and it's now resetting the phone completely. Let's wait. It will take a few moments and looks like it's done already. Right, it's done. Select. No, I don't want to do that. Continue. Preparing. And looks like it's done. It's addressed everything. And it's completely empty. No call history. No nothing. Okay, and this is the second way you can do that. This is actually a faster way to do that. Oops, sorry. Make sure to unlock it. And let's dial this number. This is star hashtag 7370 and hashtag again, and it will ask to restore factory settings as well. This is much easier and faster way to do that. Let's press OK. And it's done again. Okay, basically the same thing. Okay. Yep, and it's done. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more Nokia 215 videos, as I'll be releasing more of them later this week. Alright, see you.